In this video, we'll show how to add and customize a Flipbox widget on your WordPress website using the responsive Elementor add-ons. First, let me show you how a Flipbox widget looks like. The Flipbox widget helps you create animated boxes that flip to the other side, once the visitor hovers over them. Before getting started, you need to make sure that you have responsive Elementor add-ons plugin installed on your website. Check out the link in the description below to learn how to install it. So, let's get started. Open a page or a post and click on Edit with Elementor and it will take you to this screen. On the left widget panel, scroll down and look for responsive Elementor add-ons. Look for the REA Flipbox widget. You can also type REA Flipbox in the search bar to locate the widget. Now, click and drag the widget to the content area. This is how it will look by default. Let's see how to customize this Flipbox widget. Under Edit, REA, Flipbox, you can see 3 tabs. Under Content, the front tab controls the content of the front side of the Flipbox. You can choose the type of graphic element you want. You can add an image or icon along with a title and description. Let's add an image. You can adjust the size of the image. You can even choose any color or gradient as the background. The back tab controls the back side of the Flipbox. It has the same elements as the front side, except for the graphic element that only appears on the front. The back side also includes a button. You can customize the button, add a button text, and add a link to it. The Settings tab allows you to change the height and border radius of the Flipbox. Here, you can choose between various flip effects and directions. Let's choose the left option. Now let's go to the Style tab. In the front tab, you can set the padding, alignment, vertical position, and the border type of the content area in the Flipbox. Using these you can set the style of the elements. In the back tab, you get all the options explained previously for the front side, minus the graphic element settings. Similarly, the button settings allow you to customize the button that you've added. Now let's move on to the Advanced tab. Here, you can adjust the padding and margin of the block and set CSS classes. You can also add motion effects to your Flipbox, set background color, and customize the borders of the block. Finally, you can choose a mask for your Flipbox and adjust its positioning. Follow the same steps for all the Flipboxes. Once you're done with the settings, click on Update. And there you go. You have a customized REA Flipbox on your website. For more such tutorials about responsive Elementor add-ons and WordPress, subscribe to our YouTube channel and we'll see you in the next video.